Welcome back to AutoXperience, the ultimate destination for auto lovers and future-forward car reviews. Today, we're diving into one of the boldest and sportiest SUVs in Ford's 2025 lineup. The all-new Ford Edge Street. Ford has stepped up its game in the performance SUV segment, and the 205 Edge Saint is a powerful example of how performance, tech, and comfort can come together in a mid-size package. Let's start under the hood. The 2025 Edge Saint is powered by a refined 2.7-liter twin-turbo EcoBoost V6 engine, delivering an impressive 355 horsepower and 380 pounds-ft of torque. It's paired with a smooth-shifting 8-speed automatic transmission and comes standard with intelligent all-wheel drive. Whether you're cruising down the highway or taking on twisty back roads, this SUV offers power and confidence that feels more like a sports car than a family vehicle. Now let's talk about handling. Ford's sport-tuned suspension and electronic stability control make a huge difference. You'll notice tighter cornering, reduced body roll, and a responsive steering feel that's rare in this class. The optional adaptive dampers give you extra control over your driving dynamics, so whether you want a soft, comfortable ride or a stiffer, sporty experience, the Edge Saint can adapt in real time. Visually, the 205 Edge Saint stands out. The aggressive Saint grille design, sleek LED headlights, a sculpted hood, and blacked-out accents give it a bold and modern street presence. It rides on 21-inch gloss black aluminum wheels and features dual exhaust outlets with polished tips. The rear spoiler and unique Saint badging complete the athletic look. Inside, the Edge Saint feels premium and performance-inspired. You get leather-trimmed bucket seats with Myco suede inserts, red contrast stitching, and the embossed Saint logo. The front seats are heated and ventilated, while the rear seats offer excellent comfort and space for passengers. The digital instrument cluster has been upgraded for 2025. It's now a 13.2-inch high-res screen fully customizable to your driving style, displaying everything from navigation to performance metrics. Technology plays a major role in the Edge ST's evolution. Ford's Sync4A infotainment system now comes with enhanced voice control, over-the-air updates, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The touchscreen interface is intuitive, fast, and easy to navigate. You also get a premium B&O12 speaker audio system that turns your cabin into a rolling concert hall. A new feature this year is the expanded Ford Pass Connect, giving you remote vehicle access, live vehicle status updates, and even remote start or climate control from your smartphone. Safety and driver assistance are also top tier. Ford's Copilot 360 Assist Plus is standard and includes adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go, lane centering, evasive steering assist, rear cross-traffic alert with braking, and blind spot monitoring. There's also a 360-degree camera system that gives you a bird's-eye view of the vehicle, super useful in tight parking situations. Cargo space hasn't been sacrificed either. With the rear seats folded down, you're getting over 73 cubic feet of cargo capacity, enough for road trips, sports gear, or even a weekend getaway setup. A hands-free liftgate and configurable load floor make loading and unloading easy and efficient. Overall, the 2025 Ford Edge Street delivers on every level. It's fast, stylish, and packed with tech. It's the perfect blend of performance and practicality, giving drivers the thrill of a sports car with the functionality of a midsize SUV. Whether you're a performance enthusiast or a family driver looking for something more exciting, the Edge Saint demands a test drive. That's it for today's review here on AutoXperience. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the 2025 Ford Edge Street, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know in the comments what feature stood out to you most and what car you want us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next drive.